Chapter 13 is a federal debt repayment program. It is the kind of repayment program that puts you in charge. In Chapter 13, we do not negotiate payment plans with creditors. Your Chapter 13 plan tells the creditors what they're going to get. The amount that's paid on your debt depends on many factors. Chapter 13 is misunderstood by most people. The most common misunderstanding is that Chapter 13 requires you to pay back all of your debt. This is not true. In fact, most Chapter 13 plans pay back only a percentage of the unsecured debt, and what's not paid back is discharged and you never have to pay it back. In Chapter 13, you can catch up payments that you've missed on your house or car. This is unlike Chapter 7, which requires you to be current on your house or car payments. In fact, one of the main reasons you would file a Chapter 13 is to save your home from foreclosure or your car from repossession. Another reason you might file Chapter 13 instead of Chapter 7 is your income. If your household income is above the median income, you may have to file Chapter 13 because you might not be eligible for a Chapter 7. If you want to see what the median income is, please click on the link for median income. Remember, just because your income is above the median income does not mean that you have to file Chapter 13. Also, if your income is below the median, you may still qualify for Chapter 13 and be able to save your house or your car from foreclosure or repossession. This is why it's important to speak with an experienced bankruptcy attorney to determine the best approach to your situation. Chapter 13 is a very flexible and powerful tool to put your creditors under control and reorganize your finances so that you have payments you can manage. In Chapter 13, you'll have one payment. This payment is made to a Chapter 13 trustee. The trustee then pays your creditors. You would continue to make payments on your living expenses and utility bills. Another advantage of Chapter 13 is that you're able to make some kind of a payment towards your debt. Many people prefer to make some kind of a payment because they don't want to feel like they're walking away from their obligations without making any effort at all to pay them. Chapter 13 is much more complicated than Chapter 7 bankruptcy. There are a number of attorneys who file Chapter 7 who are not experienced in Chapter 13. If you're considering Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you should consult with an attorney who is experienced in Chapter 13 cases. Our firm files hundreds of Chapter 13 cases every year. We limit our practice to debt relief, so you can be confident that we have the expertise to find the solution that's the best one for your situation. For more videos and hundreds of pages of bankruptcy answers, visit debtfreeohio.com by visiting the link on this page.